She stabbed her boyfriend 108 times and killed the dog. And the judge said that she smoked some weed and hallucinated. Now, I smoke weed, and I have never, I don't know what fucking brand. I don't know if this sativa, indica, I don't know what the fuck she hit to cause her to stab this man 108 times. And how slow was this guy? You would think after 2 jugs, you know, but when we get past 20 stabs, I know the dog was sitting there like, God damn, you gonna move? Yeah, stabbed the dog, killed the fucking dog. Dog ain't got shit to do with this. The dog just sitting there, God damn. Woo. You know, there's a lot of white people in there, they don't like that dog killing joke.